So this is my Delta Blues 30 watt amplifier. I bought it in the mid-90s, I think. Probably 96 maybe. It's really cool. At Christmas time, I was playing somewhere and one of the valves got smashed. So it has four of these. So I took two out because one was broken and I wanted to use one just so it matched it to the right one when I bought it. And Susie got me two, 69 bucks. It's not too bad. EL84s. So the go is you get this little bloody thing in first. This little cage thing. Looks like they recommend you have it that way. Fiddly things. Then you lift that up. Put the gap towards yourself. Push it in and gently ease it over the end of that to hold it in place. And the other one's exactly the same. They're really nice, these. These are JJ Teslas. These are still made in Slovak Republic. But I think they've just recently started making them. These might be old stock. They look like it. I've heard they've recently started making them in the Ukraine, so I don't know whether it's going to be better or worse. But anyway, they're very nice valves. I should have put that in first, of course, like an idiot. That one. That one. That's her. Fucking got that around the wrong way, you idiot. This time. Beautiful. And that's her. Should be cool. Hope for the best.